Afternoon everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. So, as you can tell by my t-shirt, it is Christmas Day Eve. Most of the family have gone out, so just for a little walk. So I thought I'd bring myself into the greenhouse and do a bit of seed sowing. And, well, what seeds can you sow at the moment? These guys. So if I turn the camera around and we can have a look as to what they are and how I'm sowing them. Okay, so I'm in with my little helper. It's only the two of us stayed in, and we are sowing today the pepper and chili pepper seeds. So I've got my little bundle there. Most of them are saved from this season's harvest, and then got a couple of additions, and I've already popped them into my book. So that's what we got. So Chupetinho White, which is a small white but very hot chili. Bleeding Rawit purple, so similar sort of size but purple variety. Mirch Masala is a chili about that sort of size, quite a nice useful chili, but it's not really hot, but yeah, it's quite good for a multitude of things. Tangerine Dream, and as the name suggests, well, apart from the colour, it actually produces a spherical chili, quite mild in flavour. You can stuff them, but to be honest, they're a bit of a faff to do that. Gusto purple, so standard chili appearance, but purple. Holy Peak, chili appearance, slightly compact, red in coloration. Gusto purple ripens to purple. Holy Peak a red. Purple Tiger is a small, pretty hot purple fruit. Has a variegated leaf to the actual plant. Mushroom red. Fruit's about that sort of height, sort of diameter, that sort of height. Very much resembles a mushroom in appearance. Do ripen to a nice fiery red colour. They are hot actually. Jalapeno Tiger, compact. Basket of Fire is that one there, that's literally just keeps going and going. Hangijaoy Supernova Space Chili. Now they, in terms of sizing, 3 bricks, so 30 centimeters in height. Really good chili pepper, not the hottest in the world, but really good. It's nice for the whole novelty thing, the fact that it was grown in space. Vampire starts off as its red coloration, then goes purple or purpley black, or it might be the other way around, never remember. Scarlett Variegated, again nice variegated plant. Small scarlet fruits, quite hot, not the hottest, but it's nice for the foliage, to be honest. Joe's Long, that's a Cayenne type, roughly 20 centimeters in length, quite a skinny thing, but they're a really good versatile one. Peruvian Lemon Drop, compact yellow fruits, got quite a nice kick to them. Biquinho Yellow, again it's quite a small fruiting variety, pretty hot. Then Paper Lanterns, which I've added in this year, which they look really effective, good clusters of those. And I've got some normal Cayenne. I just thought I'd get some of those to do some sort of fairly medium hot chili sauces with. Then within the mix, the Bullhorn mix, which produces about a 20-25 centimeter fruit that curls up to it, hence the name Bullhorn. And then Beja, which again you're looking at about a 20 centimeter, maybe longer as a fruit, quite a decent diameter, nice and reliable, good red in colour. So say 25th of December, this is probably the earliest that I've sown, but given the fact that this season's ones were not the best due to how wet it was at the start of the season, and then sort of continued that way, thought I'd get an earlier start. So yeah, my son's set out the trays. These have already been pre-filled and watered. The mix is multi-purpose compost with about 15-20% by volume of perlite. And perlite is the small white volcanic particles which acts two ways. Main way it acts is as a drainage, so it improves the drainage and aeration of the soil, but it also retains moisture, so it'll absorb a load of moisture, and then as the surrounding compost dries out, it then releases it back into the compost, so provides good stability in terms of moisture retention and output for the roots. So 18 varieties, and as it happens, 18 rows, and just going to grow probably 3s of each of the plant, but we will do 4s of each, and then hopefully all of them take and sprout, germinate, but gives us the option then just to retain 3 plants of each. And my intention is to do the same as this, so plant 3 plants probably into a pot. You got the Hangijaoy in there, but yeah, I'm thinking, well, sitting on the fence at the moment. I'm thinking 3 plants per pot. Might end up just doing 1 plant per pot, but we shall see. So let's get to work, I guess. Okay, so I've already pre-written my labels just so I don't get mixed up. First one up, Peruvian lemon drop, and just get them out of the packaging like so. A few left in there, and all I'm doing, I'm just going to do 1 per cell. Like so. Won't bother doing anything more. Pop your label in at the back, just because it makes it easier for watering. And then we've got the vermiculite, which is this, which again is a different volcanic material, but it helps to block out light levels and releases macronutrients and micronutrients around the plant itself as it germinates and grows. And that is essentially it. First variety done. Right, so I finished doing the seed sowing, and now just to dampen down the vermiculite, so I'm using water that's obviously been brought up to temperature within the greenhouse. Just going into this spray bottle. And I just use it to dampen down this vermiculite, one to stop it blowing away and make sure it's staying in contact with the seeds, and also by spraying it down means that you're not going to draw the moisture out of the actual seeds themselves, so they will germinate nicely. So you just can see it changing colour from the pale to the more yellow. So we've got that tray there. Then we got the trays down here. So they're all on the heat. So that's the base unit for the propagator. Once we get this dampened down, then we can put the lid on, and hopefully within about 3 weeks, 2 weeks, depends, we'll get some good germination. So let me just grab the top. That's the lid. So set it to close, nothing technical about that. And that's the first one on. and then get this in the next propagator unit. And that is it. It's well, the start of the seed sowing for next year, but this is all the chili peppers done. So yes, video done on me sowing the chili peppers. If you got any questions, then please send them to me. I always do my best to answer them for you. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that link to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future videos. And I always say it, and today's no exception, being Christmas Day. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and well, just try some different things. So add a different variety or two and see where that takes you. Till next time, bye for now.